I was a national level basketball player, and Arjun sir from YMCA Bandra, he was the one who trained me for the longest time. So whether it was in Beacon High or in Jamnabai, I used to love sports entirely. And I happened to go for this trip when I was in JNS. So I don't know, I just, sort of believed in my gut. And I said that, listen, I shouldn't get onto this track. You know, the tractors which we have in Phuket, those proper जैसे होते हैं ना वो लंबे rigs. तो वैसे we were sitting in one of those, and we were just heading out everybody, and there were like 15 people in one, and honestly seeing 15 in one, I was already like, scared. Then it was raining very heavily, and I told my teachers, I was like, listen, I don't think I want to go on this. And the teacher was really like insisting, and she's like, no, please just go on it because it's a trip we all have to go. I said, ठीक है. As soon as I got on the track, like on the cart, I messaged my father saying, please leave for wherever I was then. Like it was way further down from Pune. So I told dad, listen, just leave because I've gotten into an accident. And you won't believe, within 2 minutes, so the cart was supposed to go left, but he went aage and he missed out on the left cart. So he came behind, and by the time he took the left, we went like ulta. And it was really, really bad. Like I remember a lot of my friends, which I feel really, bad about, but they went through a lot of these plastic surgeries for external changes because obviously it was bad. And I had to go through, of course, a lot of physio because it was an internal change. I have this back injury, which is still there because the doctor said you're very young, just at 18, we can't really undergo a surgery for your backbone. So it's better that, you just do physio and you go through it. And I said, yeah, but that's something that I was very, very devastated because I had to play for NBA India that day, like when I would return. And then Arjun sir called me and I was like, sir, I won't be able to make it to this tournament. And I was shattered because that was something that, you've grown up doing it and, always been an athlete, a runner, all of it. And I was really looking forward because NBA is huge. You being a part of that was literally my stepping stone. And I was like, okay, I'm getting there. And this happened. So yeah, I do want to get back. I'm thinking of it now that I feel better. And it's been a while now. It's been a couple years. So definitely sports are very good. It teaches you to be disciplined in life for sure. So I think I want to get back.